Alright, here we are, 68, my favorite road. I'm on a VFR Deluxe. Got the wife on the back. New helmet, and I want to see if I can actually hear what I'm saying in this video. So just trying out the acoustics for the video when I post it up on the YouTube for all my tens and tens of fans, followers. Traffic. 2 minutes in and we hit traffic, and they will not pull off and let us by. They will not use the truck lane. You gotta love people like that. Won't do the speed limit. Won't be courteous to other people. But they do have a $150,000 van, so they did something right in their lives. For any of you who have ever ridden this road, you know there are only just a couple passing zones. And Tennessee, in their infinite wisdom, decided to make this passing zone a double yellow line. Dumbest thing ever. They should have left it a passing zone. But yeah, trying to quiet down the wind noise on this bike, I got rid of the Givi shield. So I'm using a Puke windscreen now. That helped the wind noise quite a bit. It definitely stopped all the buffeting. The Givi windscreen was just knocking me around, and I've been tolerating it for so many years. But it was one of the things I hated about riding this bike. But the last helmet I bought was incredibly noisy with the windscreen down. So this helmet's a lot better. I'm just hoping the camera's focused in, because I didn't take the time to adjust it. I pretty much took the camera mount off this exact same helmet that I've been using for a few years, and I just pretty much, it's the same helmet I've been using for years. This is my third helmet in this style, whatever, just different graphics. Man, people just cannot drive. These folks are from South Carolina, and they're making it through these twisties at 20 miles an hour. 20 miles an hour. Look at them go. That saying, you can't fix stupid. There is a lot of that when you get up on a twisty road in the mountains. Oh, they're going to let me by. Thank you. There's the Blue Line Cafe. They closed it in over the winter time. It's an okay place to eat. There's nothing else out here. My girlfriend Tracy told me that he sent me a news article that said Monroe County is going to crack down on motorcycles. They had 41 motorcycle accidents last year, and I'm thinking to myself, 41 motorcycle accidents for the amount of motorcycles that come through Monroe County is not very many, but it feels like they just want to steal money from motorcycle riders. If Monroe County really wanted to save lives and protect riders, they would go after people like this guy in front of me, Tennessee tag 909 BBSJ, because that is what kills people right there. You saw him, right? Completely in the other lane with oncoming traffic. That is just nonsense. That's how motorcycles crash, when you come through a turn and there's a car completely in your lane. So maybe Monroe County should take that into account. I'm out. Hit me a thumbs up.